Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Audi RS7 stands as a testament to Audi's relentless pursuit of performance, luxury, and innovation. Combining breathtaking speed with refined comfort, this powerhouse exemplifies the perfect blend of aggressive styling and cutting-edge technology. With an unmistakable identity, the RS7 is designed to impress, drawing enthusiasts and casual viewers alike into its dynamic world. The standout elements include its performance-driven engineering, unparalleled all-wheel drive system, and a cabin brimming with advanced features. The exterior design of the 2025 Audi RS7 is a sight to behold. Its front grille, bold and wide, makes a commanding first impression, flanked by sleek, angular headlamps that incorporate Audi's signature LED technology. The car's sharp body contours, wide wheel arches, and sculpted side profile give an athletic, aggressive stance. From the sloping roofline to the quad exhaust outlets, the design is both functional and aesthetic. Pros include its aggressive, track-inspired look and aerodynamic efficiency, while cons could include its size, which may feel bulky in tight spaces or congested city roads. Inside the cabin, Audi continues its tradition of combining luxury with high-tech sophistication. The dashboard is a perfect balance of tactile and digital features with a high-resolution touch display that controls navigation, media, and climate settings. The cockpit features a virtual cockpit, which enhances the driving experience with its customizable layout. The leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and supportive seats make the RS7 a comfortable ride for both short trips and long journeys. While the cabin is sleek and modern, some may find the tech-heavy controls a bit overwhelming at first. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Audi RS7 does not disappoint. The twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivers a staggering 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, catapulting the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The all-wheel drive system, paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, ensures that power is effortlessly transferred to the road. Maximum speed tops out around 190 miles per hour, making it a legitimate contender against competitors like the BMW M5 and Mercedes-AMG E63. Performance pros include its blistering acceleration and handling, while some might find its fuel economy slightly less efficient for a daily driver. Priced at approximately $120,000, the Audi RS7 targets high-end buyers, typically aged 35 to 55, who value both performance and luxury. Its competitors include the BMW M5, Mercedes-AMG E63, and the Porsche Panamera Turbo. Audi offers a comprehensive warranty package, including 4 years or 50,000 miles of coverage and optional performance upgrades that further enhance the driving experience.